Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment using the Chase app in 2025. If you've got bills to pay or need to transfer money securely, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. ACH payments are a reliable way to move funds electronically, and with the Chase app's updated interface, it's quicker than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your smartphone. If not, head to your app store and update it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're set, open the app and log in with your username and password. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for protecting your finances. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. You'll see a menu at the bottom or a search bar. Type in ACH to find it quickly. Select Send ACH Payment, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank account number, routing number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Next, add a memo or note if needed, like rent payment or invoice settlement, to keep things organized. Review the transaction summary, which will show fees, if any. ACH is usually low cost, and the expected arrival date. Hit Confirm and authorize the payment with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Boom! Your payment is on its way. One quick tip: ACH payments can take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Also, ensure the recipient's bank accepts ACH transfers. And that's it. You've just mastered sending ACH payments via the Chase app. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.